This is a fluid mosaic model. A fluid mosaic model is a model of a cell membrane. It's made up of 2 layers of lipids, which makes it a lipid bilayer. The lipid bilayer is made up of phospholipids. The top of a phospholipid is made up of a phosphate head, and it is hydrophilic, which means it's attracted to water conditions. And then the bottom of it's a tail, and it is a hydrophobic fatty acid tail, and it repels from water conditions. This creates the 2 main layers of a cell membrane. They're very fluid, and so things like proteins are allowed to go in and out throughout it. Proteins are inside of a fluid mosaic model and a cell membrane because they allow different things to transfer through the cell. Because of the hydrophilic, hydrophobic conditions of the lipid bilayer, not many things are allowed through it besides water and gases. So different kinds of things that need to go in there, like glucose, fructose, things like that, things that need to get into the blood. Different things that need to go in there going through proteins, which are integral proteins and glycoproteins. Integral proteins kind of transport the things into the cell, and they're scattered all throughout it and just kind of move throughout it. They're creating channels, such as like when something comes in that needs to go through the cell, it'll go through the protein channel. And then glycoproteins are receptors, and the carbohydrate side chains that come off the glycoproteins will catch the different things coming through the cell and allow it to go in through it, and it just attracts it by those carbohydrate side chains and then allows it to go through. The fluidity of the cell membrane is called by cholesterol deep inside the cell, and it'll be between the 2 bilayers. And the cholesterol kind of moves the different proteins around and causes the fluidity, and if it wasn't there, the entire membrane would just become stagnant and would almost arrange into this crystalline structure, which wouldn't be very good at all, because then nothing would really be allowed into the cell. Alright, and that is a fluid mosaic model.